question.
Okay, sige. Go. Good morning. Magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga sa inyo at pasalamat tayo umaraw ngayon, no? And tuloy lang ang trabaho. Tuloy lang trabaho. Siguro you've heard news. It's already out in the news, no? Several cases filed, no? Of course, the DOJ, notwithstanding yung walang actual face-to-face na work, we still do our work, no? We still resolve cases and we file them in court. And the normal process is nasa court na yan, no? So on the substantive matter, we will not comment anymore, no? Familiar na rin kayo with what we can share is yung mga names, no, of those accused and the charges filed, no? But other than that, we don't want to, kasi magta-trial na yan, no? Yung mga recent cases na final namin. So nagre-ready na rin yung mga trial prosecutors namin so that they will be ready in presenting the evidences in court, no? So any particular question?
Sir, yung Zamboanga shooting lang po, what updates can you share with us?
What updates? Okay, this is from the also another hearsay from what you know, ongoing investigation ng ano natin, ongoing investigation ng law enforcement agencies natin. We're waiting for ano, I understand in-invite na rin yung ano, yung may-ari ng barrel, no, and for questioning, no. But still, the Department of Justice, our field office will be ready to accept kung ano may ipa-file ng complaint, and we will be ready to act on that.
Since the DOJ is a member of the Anti-Terror Council, ano po yung parang mas long-term na gagawin nating action? Naalala ko po kasi yung Tacloban shooting na bring up na ito na
Yes.
parang i-invoke or gagamitin yung Anti-Terror Council to deal with this, especially if it's related with NDE.
Well, ang medyo malalim na what our law enforcement agencies have been pursuing now and agents, no? We have now teams looking at possibilities. Alam niyo yung we're confirming information na mentor. Alam niyo yung mini-mentor yung mga bata na may nag-e-engage sa kanila, tinetext sila, tapos parang meron silang kinoconsult na okay ba itong ginawa ko? Ano ba itong gagawin ko? So we're pursuing those aspects, no? But the details, I can only give you generalities kasi ongoing yung actions ng law enforcement agencies natin. On the aspect of it being a terrorist act, definitely, nakikita naman, because the purpose of terrorism is to sow fear, di ba? In the general population. So pag nakita nyo, that element of creating fear on the public, it's present, no? So ito yung mga nuances of things that we continue on fighting, no? Bumaha man o hindi bumaha, but nakita nyo, no? I think I need to commend our colleagues, no, in the other departments, no? Mabilis bumaba yung baha, ha? In fairness, considering yung volume ng water, no? So, papasalamat din tayo. So, ganito po tayo. Tuloy lang yung trabaho. I've been, kahit po wala dito sa Padre Faura since Monday, several meetings, tuloy-tuloy lang po yung trabaho.
So, yung nabanggit yung mentoring na pinopursue ninyo para sa ano?
Ito yung ano, alam niyo yung ini-engage yung bata. Pag nakita kasi na yung may flags na ganun yung bata, nagbababad sa ganung violent games, may mga nagta-target sa kanila and nire-recruit sila on certain group chats. Tapos yun na nagsisimula. So, pero heavy na ang mga law enforcement agencies natin on this. We're pursuing all these leads, no? Tapos ang pakiusap ko pala, this is an appeal to the parents and to those really exercising parental authority. Please, exercise it with earnest, no? Tutukan natin kung anong ginagawa ng mga bata natin. Let's engage, kausapin natin sila. Kasi baka sasabihin kasi, I have kids, no? Laging sasabihin nila, it depends naman on the person, pero let's guide them, no? You know your children better, you know your kids better, please, tutukan natin yung mga bata, no? Yung kung ano yung ginagawa nila.
Yung pursuing on the part of the DOJ, parang pursuing ano po ba, parang possible legislation, tutulong, paano po?
Everything is in the menu, di ba? Proposing new legislation. Pero ngayon, active kasi tayo muna ngayon on the law enforcement. Yung mga active na, yung nihilist, violent extremism, no? Tinitingnan natin, no? So may nakikita kasi tayo, no, na talagang, tapos ito rin ang pakiusap namin, no, yung pag-take down ng this violent, alam niyo yung konsepto ng copycat.
Yeah.
I want to seek help from the media also and the public, diba? If it's really, let's not repose, no? Let's restrain, no? The real power here is the power of restraint, no? If it's a violent video, tapos nakarating sa'yo, ang gagawin mo, isi-share mo pa to papas.
Pwede bang kasuhan yun, sir?
We're very, very gray area, di ba? It's part of the free, our spectrum ng freedoms, di ba? Pero yung sharing, we can do it individually as Filipinos. Let's help in this, no? Pag may nakita kayong violent, pornography, isi-share mo pa. Diba, you're creating a society na, ito ba ang gusto nating society? Kama naman, let's all grow up, diba? Let's not be act like children, diba? Very violent, isi-share mo pa. Tulong-tulong tayo dito.
And considering the minors, boss, yung like this case, minors yung mga victims, o may liability to be resharers doon?
Yung resharers, we're still looking at that kasi pag tinignan natin, no, existing jurisprudence would tell us that this is within the spectrum ng freedom, no, or liberties of individuals.
Yeah.
So I have serious reservations pa on possible criminal liability of those resharers.
Sir, yung Orly Guteza lang, meron bang involvement yung DOJ dito sa pagpabago niya ng statement po niya? May any involvement po ba kayo?
I actually I've not seen yung new statements.
Okay.
Sorry for. Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.